You are planning for pregnancy and you're not able to conceive naturally, but you're hesitant to visit a fertility specialist thinking that the doctor is going to advise only IVF treatment for you. So let me make it clear. Not all causes of infertility need IVF treatment, but there are certain reasons of infertility which need IVF treatment to reduce the time to pregnancy and to achieve a good success rate and conceive. Few such causes of infertility which need direct IVF treatment are where the fallopian tubes in females are blocked. If the fallopian tubes are blocked, the sperm cannot go and fertilize the egg naturally. So this is a direct indication for IVF. Fallopian tubes can be blocked because of multiple reasons due to previous pelvic infections, previous pelvic surgeries, or because of any previous ectopic pregnancies in the tubes. In such situation, there is IVF treatment which will help you conceive. Secondly, from the male side, if the sperm count is very low, that is, if the count is less than 8 to 10 million, all the more when the counts are less than 6 million, then IVF is going to help you achieve pregnancy early. Thirdly, if you are suffering from grade 3, grade 4 endometriosis, then it is also an indication for IVF where you can decrease the time to pregnancy. Fourthly, in certain cases where the couple is married for a prolonged time, all the tests for the wife as well as the husband are absolutely normal. That is, they have patent tubes, they have good ovarian reserve, the male sperm count is absolutely normal, the wife's age is less than 35 years, but it's been that they are trying for more than 4 years, 5 years of married life and still not able to conceive. In such situation, it is called as unexplained infertility, which is seen in around 30% of infertile couples. And unexplained infertility, to achieve good success rate and to reduce the time to pregnancy, one of the good options to plan pregnancy is IVF. If you're finding it difficult to conceive naturally, please don't be hesitant to visit a good fertility specialist where you can evaluate your cause of infertility and get proper treatment as to which kind of treatment plan will suit you.